I'm Dave. What we're going to do here is go over all the steps to bring your Doom mod to life and then publish it as an official Doom plus Doom 2 mod. Whether it's a single level WAD, and WAD is our file format, which means where's all the data, or a feature length megawad, we'll lightly cover pretty much everything. This will not be a deep dive, but rather touch on necessary concepts and give you a jumping off point to explore the finer points and find your voice using the tools at hand. Welcome to Chapter 4. This time it's all about Slade, the program we use to really get into the heart of the WAD, work with our assets, and put it all together. So we'll be glancing at opening your WAD, giggity. We're going to replace our title and credits and images, import some music. We're going to both replace and use an additive technique. We're going to add an additional texture resource in the form of a WAD inside the WAD. It makes sense, trust me. And we're going to import that DEH file we just made. So let's start. We've opened Slade. We're going to open. We're going to find it. tutorial.wad. And here we go. We have our one map, and that is all. So let's go ahead and start by popping in our dehacked file. And you can just drag and drop with this thing. It's really nice. Oop. We're going to move it up just for organization. Rename it Dehacked. And that's it. As you can see here, it knows what has changed. The new string. No problem. Next, we're going to pop in those images. That's not right. Go to graphics. Now these are using, this is like the replacement I mentioned with the music. It's the same sort of thing. There's our title image. Now we have to change that to Doom format. Like so. Convert. Credit is another one, which we will also, this is the Reaper credit page. We're going to use this for our level splash. Now let's get that WAD in there. So this is inside here, an archive inside an archive. We're going to open it. And we're simply going to select all, Copy and paste. So now, within UDB, we will see our WAD archive and all of these textures will show up. Now we're going to pop in our music. For the sake of organization, we're going to make a new entry, just a marker. Just call it music start. That's fine. Music stop. Again, to our fancy schmancy drag and drop. We're going to take these three and just pop them in there. And we'll take this marker and just move her up. Now these are in OGG format. So much smaller than like a wave or what have you. Still good quality. You can do MIDI and what have you too, but we're going to use some cool tunes. So for this, we're going to make one of them. We're going to leave two for the levels, and you can just call those files. But for the title, we're going to replace one. And we'll go ahead and do Barbed Interruption from Infernal Symphony from the Reaper soundtrack. Dom, you're awesome. And so for this, all we gotta do is rename the file. So title is that, because I opened the original WAD and copied all this, right? Close, rename, paste, and that's it. And that should do it for this. Next, we're going to open up UMAP info, fiddle with that, put our WAD together, and then we're going to edit some more in the chapter after that. So, until next time, sayonara.